multiple choice question is, which one of the given salt not contain water of crystallization? First option given है blue vitriol. Second, baking soda. Third, washing soda. Last option, gypsum. No water of crystallization. ब्लू विट्रियोल का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? CuSO4 5H2O 5 वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. बेकिंग सोडा फॉर्मूला NaHCO3 दैट इज सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. वॉशिंग सोडा सोडियम कार्बोनेट डेकाहाइड्रेट Na2CO3 10H2O 10 water of crystallization. Gypsum calcium sulfate dihydrate CaSO4 2H2O 2 water of crystallization. Then correct option is option B, that is baking soda. Baking soda. Next is, what is formed when zinc reacts with sodium hydroxide? What is formed when zinc reacts with sodium hydroxide? Metal with base. First option given है zinc hydroxide and sodium. Second, sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Third option, sodium zinc oxide and hydrogen gas. And last option is sodium zincate and water. Yes, first student from this room.
What is formed when zinc reacts with sodium hydroxide? It gives sodium zincate and hydrogen gas.
It gives sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. So correct option is sodium zincate and hydrogen gas. Next student.
Tomato is the natural source of which acid? Acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, and oxalic acid. Answer is oxalic acid.
Correct option is option D, that is oxalic acid. Very good. Next student. Brine is an, first option given है aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide. B option, aqueous solution of sodium carbonate. Next option, aqueous solution of sodium chloride. And the last option, aqueous solution of sodium bicarbonate. Yes.
Brine is an aqueous solution of sodium chloride.
Correct option is option C. Brine is an aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Na2CO3 10H2O, that is sodium carbonate decahydrate, is first option washing soda. Second, baking soda. Third, bleaching powder. And the last is tartaric acid.
Na2CO3.10H2O is washing soda.
Na2CO3 10H2O is a washing soda. At what temperature gypsum heated to form plaster of Paris? Anshi beta.
At what temperature is gypsum heated to form plaster of Paris? Answer is B option, 100 degrees Celsius.
So correct option is option B. What is gypsum? Gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate, that is CaSO4 2H2O, and plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half water of crystallization, that is CaSO4 half H2O. Next student. Slaked lime reacts with chlorine to give. First option,
Bleaching powder. Second option, baking powder. Third option, baking soda. D option, washing soda.
slaked lime calcium hydroxide, CaOH twice plus Cl2.
And the correct option is A, bleaching powder.
Correct option is option A. क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे? कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड. What is the common name of calcium oxychloride? Right. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट रीड कीजिए.
Tooth enamel is made up of
फर्स्ट ऑप्शन कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट. नेक्स्ट
calcium carbonate,
थर्ड
calcium oxide,
लास्ट.
potassium,
हाँ जी, करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज
calcium phosphate.
yes. Correct option is calcium phosphate. What is the pH range of body? pH range of body. First option 7 to 7.8. Second option 7.2 से लेके 8 तक. Third option 7.0 to 8.4. Last option 7.2 to 8.4.
What is the pH range of our body? Option A 7.0 to 7.8. Option B 7.2 to 8.0. Option C 7.0 to 8.4. Option D 7.2 to 8.4. Answer is option A 7.0 to 7.8.
Very good. Next student. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of first option strong acid and strong base. Second, weak acid and weak base. Third, strong acid and weak base. And the last option is weak acid and strong base.
Sodium carbonate is a basic salt because it is a salt of weak acid and strong base.
Weak acid and strong base, D option. But acid कौन सा इसमें?
Acid,
Carbonic acid.
Carbonic
Carbonic acid is weak acid, and sodium hydroxide base is a strong base. Very good. Rain is called acid rain when its first option pH below 7, pH falls below 6, pH below 5.6, pH is above 7. Yes, next student.
Rain is called acid rain when it is below pH, when it is below 5.6.
C option, when pH is below 5.6, right? An aqueous solution turns red litmus solution blue. An aqueous solution turns red litmus blue. Excess addition of which given solution would reverse the change? अगर aqueous solution red litmus को blue कर रहा है means वो क्या है? Basic है. ठीक है? Option given है first baking powder, next lime, next ammonium hydroxide solution, last option hydrochloric acid. Anji.
An aqueous solution turns red litmus solution blue. Excess addition of which of the following solution would reverse the change? A. Baking powder. B. Lime. C. Ammonium hydroxide solution. D. Hydrochloric acid. And the answer is D. Hydrochloric acid.
Correct option is option D, hydrochloric acid. Sodium hydroxide turns phenolphthalein solution. First option pink, second yellow, third colorless, and last orange. Phenolphthalein synthetic indicator. Sodium hydroxide क्या है? Base है. हाँ जी. Yes, beta.
Sodium hydroxide turns phenolphthalein solution pink.
Correct option is option A, pink. Next student. Yes, read कीजिए.
But acids are present in oranges and tomatoes.
Oranges में
Acid present in orange is citric acid
very good,
and in tomato oxalic acid.
very good. Oranges में
And Tomatoes, oxalic acid.
Oxalic acids. Very good. Next student. Last student from this row. What is the color of phenolphthalein in basic medium and methyl orange in acidic medium?
What is the color of phenolphthalein in basic medium and that of methyl orange in acidic medium? Phenolphthalein in basic is
Pink.
pink and
Color of phenolphthalein in basic medium? Pink. Acidic में वो क्या रहेगा? Colorless ही? Okay. Methyl orange in acidic medium? Green. Red. और basic medium में? Yellow. Next student.
what is the name given to indicators giving different orders in acidic and basic medium? Olfactory indicators.
Name of that indicator is?
Olfactory indicators.
Next student. What is milkiness due to when carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water? When carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water milky, that milkiness is due to formation of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. Soluble in water or insoluble in water? What is the action of hydrochloric acid on marble or eggshells? Marble calcium carbonate और eggshell भी क्या है? Calcium carbonate, CaCO3. So what is the action of hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, on calcium carbonate? CaCO3 plus 2HCl give rise to CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Next is, which acid is produced in stomach? Acid produced in stomach.
Which acid is produced in stomach? And the answer is hydrochloric acid.
Next student.
Name the chemicals used in making fire extinguisher. Baking soda plus CO2.
CO2, no.
Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
The baking soda.
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid and
Baking soda.
baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is Arrhenius definition of acids? Arrhenius definition of an acid.
What is the Arrhenius definition of acids? Acids are the substances which have hydrogen, and when they dissolve in water, they give hydrogen ions.
Okay. That hydrogen ion cannot exist alone. That always exists in combining with H2O, that is hydronium ion.
Ions.
What is hydronium ion? H3O.
H3O positive.
Next student. Which acid is injected into our body by a bee sting that causes pain? No oxalic acid.
Which acid is injected into our body by a bee sting that causes pain? Answer is methanoic acid.
Methanoic acid, common name, formic acid. Next student.
What happens when the blue crystals of copper sulfate are heated?
What happens when the blue crystals of copper sulfate are heated? copper sulfate crystal, CuSO4, 5H2O, 5 water of crystallization. What happens when blue crystals of copper sulfate are heated? Yes, Vachit.
They lost their water of crystallization.
And turn
White.
white. Next, which gases are produced at cathode and anode when brine solution is electrolyzed? Brine solution, that is aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride. Which gases are produced at cathode and at anode when brine solution is electrolyzed?
Hydrogen gas at cathode and chlorine gas in anode.
At cathode? At cathode?
Hydrogen gas.
At anode? Chlorine gas. Next student. कीजिए question.
What is the chemical formula of bleaching powder and what is its chemical name? Bleaching powder.
Yes, bleaching powder is a
Ca.
calcium oxychloride. Chemical name calcium oxychloride and formula CaOCl2. CaOCl2. Next is
Give one use of bleaching powder other than bleaching. It is oxidizing agent in the chemical industries.
कोई और use बता
And
दीजिए.
it also used for making drink water for germs.
It is used to make drinking water free from germs. What is the common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate? Common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate.
The common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda.
Baking soda. Next.
Name the ingredients of baking powder.
It's a mixture of,
It is the mixture of baking soda and a mild edible acid,
that is.
tartaric acid.
Next is, which sodium compound is used as an antacid? Which sodium compound is used as an antacid?
Which sodium compound is used as antacid? Sodium hydrogen carbonate.
What is the common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate?
Common name of sodium hydrogen carbonate is baking soda.
Next is, what is the commercial name of compound calcium sulfate hemihydrate? Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Answer is plaster of Paris, that is a POP. Next student. And the next student.
A white colored powder is used by doctors for supporting fractured bones. Write chemical name and formula of the powder. Calcium carbonate.
No, calcium carbonate कहाँ होगा बेटा? White, read कीजिए questions फिर से.
A white colored powder is used by doctors for supporting fractured bones. Write chemical name and formula of the powder.
क्या होगा आंसर इसका? Answer is
Plaster of Paris.
answer is plaster of Paris. Chemical name of plaster of Paris? Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. और formula CaSO4 half H2O. Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Formula CaSO4 half H2O. Next student. Three acidic solution A, B, and C. Three acidic solution A, B, and C have pH 0, 3, and 5 respectively. Three acidic solution A, B, and C. pH क्या है? 0, 3, 5. A solution की pH 0, B solution की pH 3, and C solution की pH 5. This solution has the highest concentration of hydrogen ion. pH is inversely proportional to hydrogen ion concentration. अगर pH ज्यादा है तो हाइड्रोजन की concentration क्या होती है? कम होती है. This solution has the highest concentration of H positive ion.
The solution that has the highest concentration of H positive ion is A.
A with pH 0. And this solution has the lowest concentration of H positive ion. That is solution C with pH 5. Next student. Name the product formed when sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated. When sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated, and write the chemical equation for this reaction. Sodium hydrogen carbonate NaSCO3. Name the product formed when NaSCO3 is heated. It forms.
Sodium carbonate plus H2 plus CO2 is formed.
Name बताना है. Sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. And write on the chemical equation. NaHCO3 on heating give rise to Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Balancing करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? 2NaHCO3. 2NaHCO3 on heating give Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. Okay. Next student.
First part. What is meant by term hydrated food?
What is meant by term hydrated salt? Give two examples of hydrated salts which are white and write their formula.
The term hydrated salt means that there is absence of water in the salt.
Absence of water.
Presence of water. Hydration.
Two examples of hydrated salt which are white. Gypsum, calcium sulfate, dihydrate, CaSO4 2H2O, washing soda, sodium carbonate, decahydrate, Na2CO3, 10H2O.